Okay, everybody. So let's continue with the lesson D. The lesson D says, are you here for the concert? Let's see. First, we're gonna watch this picture, okay? Let's look at this picture. I want you to tell me the context of this picture. We have here one person, and here we have another person, right? She is Alicia. She's Alicia, like Alicia Keys. And here we have Adam, okay? Good. Now, I want you to look at the picture. Look at the picture and tell me, where are they? Are they at school? Are they at the beach? Are they at, I don't know, at a restaurant? Where are they? What is this place? What is this, guys? This place.
School?
It's a school, yes, because they are, maybe because they have a backpack. Okay, now, what is the conversation about? What do you think is the conversation about? They're having a conversation, but about what? Can you tell me? See the context, see the details here.
About a concert?
I'm sorry, guys. Yes, exactly. It's about a concert, right? Okay, but can you give me more details about this? It's a concert, yes, but it's also a what? It's a what? Look at the pamphlet here. Look at the poster here. Jonathan, what does it say here?
Artist festival?
Yes, it's an arts festival, right?
Okay, art festival.
Yes, the concert is part of a festival.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna listen to the conversation and we're gonna answer some questions, okay? Here are the questions that we're gonna answer. Who's on back? I'm sorry. That's good. Okay, the questions are, who is on vacation? Who's a student? And who's here for the concert, okay? Remember that we only have two options. We have Adam and we have Alicia. Who's on vacation, who's a student, and who's here for the concert. Don't read the conversation. Don't read, just listen, okay? Just give me a minute. Let me. Good. Okay, it's page 8. We have page 8. Oh my God. There we go. Page 8, good.
Page 8, lesson D. Are you here for the concert? 1. Conversation strategy. How about you? B. Listen. Who's on vacation? Who's a student? Who's here for the concert?
Hi, how are you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good, thanks. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it is. Are you here for the concert?
Yes. How about you?
Well, yeah, but I'm a student here too. So, are you on vacation?
Yes, I am. By the way, I'm Alicia.
I'm Adam. Nice to meet you. Well, have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Okay, guys, now tell me. Who conversation? Alicia or Adam?
Profe, creo que su micrófono está apagado porque se escucha con eco.
Oh, sorry. Hey, I'm sorry. Okay, one more time. Who is on vacation? Alicia or Adam?
Alicia.
Yes, Alicia is on vacation. Good. Okay, and now who's the student?
Adam.
Adam.
Adam, yes. And now who is here for the concert?
Alicia.
Alicia. Okay, Adam, no? Adam is not here for the concert.
Yes.
No.
Okay. Now, what about if we read the conversation, okay? Let's see. Okay, here we have this activity. Okay, let me see if I can, let me see how many are we? Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. We're gonna practice the conversation, okay? Jonathan and Sareli, you're gonna be in room 1, and Diana and Evelyn, you're gonna be here with me, okay?
Okay.
Remember, guys, that if you are here practicing the conversation, it's like I'm not here, okay? No escucho, no veo. No, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Ay, sí escucho y sí veo, ¿verdad? Pero no voy a decir nada. Okay, let me see. Just one. Okay. So, okay, Sareli and Jonathan, practice the conversation. When you finish, switch, okay? Switch. And when you come back, you're gonna tell me, is Adam there for the concert? That's the question for you, okay? You discuss that with your partner and come back. There we go. And Evelyn and Diana, you're gonna practice the conversation here, okay? Open your microphones and I am going to disappear. I'm just listening, okay? Go ahead, guys. Remember, you can say, I go first, you go first, things like that, okay? Go ahead, guys, please. Okay, here we have the answer, guys. It says, are you here for the concert? Adam asked, right? Are you here for the concert? And Alicia says, yes. And then Alicia asked, how about you? And you are like, but what is that? Okay, I'm gonna tell you in a moment, okay? Let's see. Let's go to the board. Okay, here we have the expression. We have the expression, how about you, right? So we use this expression when we want to ask the same question to a person, but we don't want to repeat the question. Like, for example, no, Adam asked, are you here for the concert? And what does Alicia says? Yes. Alicia says yes. And she wants to know the same information. She wants to know that. So she asked, are you here for the concert too? But I don't know, guys. Don't you think that this looks a little repetitive? We are asking the same question, right? It's a little repetitive, right? So instead of asking the same question, we don't ask the same question. We ask, how about you? Are you here for the concert? Yes. Are you here for the concert? Too repetitive, right? No. Are you here for the concert? Yes. How about you? Oh, let's see what Adam said. Let's see. Let's see to Adam's response. Okay. One more time, guys. Are you here for the concert? Yes. How about you? Well, yeah. But I'm a student here too. So Adam is here for the concert too. Both of them. You see? Okay, good. Okay. Now let's see more examples using how about you. Let me show you. Let me show you another example. Okay. Here I have another example. For example, do you like taquitos? Oh, yes. Do you like taquitos too? Too repetitive, right? We don't want to repeat the same question over and over. So, what do? We use how about you? Another example. Another example. Are you here for the English class with teacher Abby? Oh, yes. Are you here? Another. Are you here for the English class too? We don't want to repeat the information. It's like too repetitive. So we don't ask the question again in a conversation. We just ask, how about you? Or maybe we just want to ask, how are you? How are you? Oh, I'm fine. How are you? No, too repetitive. We want to use another question. We use, how about you too? You see? This is the conversation strategy that we're gonna use. Instead of repeat the same question in a conversation, we ask, how about you? Yes, Diana, tell me.
Ok, entonces eso es como para ya no volver a repetirlo, ¿no? O sea, si usted me pregunta cómo estoy, yo digo bien, gracias y esa oración.
Exactly, yes.
Okay,
exactly. Just look at the conversation here with Adam and Alicia, okay? Here. Here. So, oh, wait. There, okay, here we go. Okay, here. Are you here for the concert? Yes. Maybe here, Alicia could ask, oh, come on. Alicia could ask, are you here for the concert? Like that. That's correct. It's okay. But in a conversation, in a natural conversation, it's not really common to repeat the question over and over and over. So that's why we have conversation strategies, okay? The conversation strategies, guys, are for make our conversations more natural, ¿sí? Utilizamos the conversation strategies para que nuestras conversaciones sean más naturales, más fluidas, no tan forzadas, ¿sí? Este conversation strategy, how about you, es una de las más comunes que tenemos, ¿sí? La usamos demasiado. El punto aquí es, instead of repeating, en vez de repetir la pregunta tú y luego la pregunta yo y la pregunta tú y la pregunta yo, we don't use that. We only say, how about you? You see? It's really, really easy. Okay, let's continue with Let's continue with that so we can have more examples. Okay. It says, notice how Adam and Alicia say, how about you, to ask the same questions. You see? Let's see. Do we have another one? Yeah. Okay, yes, here. Guys, we have another question, another example here. Hi, how are you doing? Pretty good. How about you? The same example, okay? Good. Now here below, I have some examples about this. Let me show you. Okay, here we have this. It says, complete the conversations, then practice with a partner. We're gonna do the first one together, okay? Number 1. Hello, are you here for the festival? Yes, I am. What can we say, guys?
How about you?
Excellent, Evelyn. How? Oh, I don't like this color. Yes. How about you? Excellent. Okay. Okay, what about number 2? Oh, what about number 2, guys? Hi, how are you doing? Good, thanks. How about you? What can we say in this case?
I'm fine, thanks.
Excellent. Yes, exactly. Good. Okay, I'm fine. Thanks. Okay, do the rest, guys. Do the rest. Finish the other sentences, and I'm going to give you 1 minute so we can practice this, okay? Okay. Now, guys, what are we going to do with this? Okay, we are going to practice these conversations again. Yes, okay. Let's see. We're going to practice these conversations, okay? Conversation number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, and 5, okay? Everybody's going to practice this. Let me, we're going to do the same now. Let's go. Okay, there we go. We're going to go to the room again. We're going to practice in pairs. So remember, guys, you have to practice all the conversations and then switch. Okay? Let's practice these conversations again. Let's go. Vamos a las salas de grupos pequeños. Jonathan? Let's see. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, now here, guys, do you remember these expressions? We have these expressions, formal expressions, less formal expressions, or informal expressions, no? In this case, we have yes. No abran sus micrófonos si no es necesario. Pero repitan después de mí, ¿ok? Listen and repeat after me. Yes. Thank you. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Goodbye. Good. No, these are formal expressions. Like this. Look at the example. This is a formal situation. They are at work. So this is formal. Now, an informal expression could be, yeah, thanks. Hi, how are you doing? Okay, pretty good. Good, bye, see you later. Okay, this is informal, right? With your friends, things like that. Okay, now, here we have some examples of conversations. Number one is a formal conversation, and number two is a less formal conversation or informal conversation, okay? We're gonna complete this with these expressions and this conversation with this one, okay? I'm gonna give you 2 minutes, okay? Let's do it individually. I always forget about this. Okay, yes, in lesson B, we're gonna learn about how to talk about things that you take to class using a and ask about things using this and this. Lesson C, ask where things are in the classroom. Say who owns things using possessives, apostrophe S and S apostrophe. And lesson D, ask for help in class. Respond to I'm sorry and thanks. Okay, here we have these visuals, right? We have here this. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna learn with this. Okay, first, I want you to look at this picture. Look at this picture. Where are they? What place is this? Is it a school? Is it a library? Is it the gym? House? The office? What is number one, guys?
There is class.
It's a home.
In class?
The school, yes, they are in class. Excellent, that's correct.
Pensé que era el número 2.
Oh, no, here. Now, number two, guys. What is here? Where is he?
He's at home?
At home. Excellent. Like you right now, right?
Yeah.
He's taking his English class at home. Okay, now we have number three. Where is she at?
She at the
He's
gym.
out on the gym?
At the gym. Excellent. Good. Number four.
She no, 3 are
They
the
are the
library?
library.
Library. Yes,
Good.
they are the library. Good. And we have the last one, number five.
She's at work.
She's a word.
She's at work.
She's
Okay.
at work.
Excellent.
Oh, Diana.
You only have to write here the numbers, okay? For example,
2?
she's at home is number?
2?
Number two, good. Just wait a minute. Okay, guys, number three. Number three.
She's out in gym.
Excellent, good, okay. What about number four?
The library.
Yes, the library.
4.
And five,
5.
that word, right?
She's a word.
Excellent, good. Okay, guys, right now, where are you? I am at home. I am at home. Where are you, Jonathan? Where I am at home. I am at home. Where are you?
I am there home.
I'm
I'm
home.
I'm home. I'm home. I'm home.
Home.
I'm home.
Okay, look. I am
at
home.
home.
Excellent.
At
Good.
home. Okay.
Yes. Diana, where are you?
I am studying.
But where, baby? At school, at home, at work, where?
I am at home.
At home, good. Sareli, where are you?
I am at home.
Good. And Evelyn, where are you?
I am the library.
At the library. You are at the library? You. Are you at the library, baby, or at home?
And home. Sorry.
Okay. Oh, she's at the library. Okay.
It's a house.
You're at home. Okay, baby. It's okay. Thank you. Okay, now we have another conversation, guys. Look at these people. They are taking an English class too. She's the teacher. This is me. Here we have Allison, John, Carmen and Susana, Ellen, Hiroki, and Nick. Okay, they are the people that are at school, at the classroom, at class. Allison, June, and Nick. Well, Nick is sleeping, right? He's sleeping and maybe he's dreaming or something. And we have Hiroki. He is at school or no?
Or no?
No.
All right. Where is he?
He's at work.
Work, exactly, yeah. And then we have Ellen. Ellen is in the class,
No.
No.
right? She's sick.
¿Cómo?
Sick. Maybe she's sick.
See?
Sick.
Sí.
Sick. Excellent. Yes. And what about Carmen and Susana? Are they in the class?
No.
No.
No. Where are they? What do you think?
Lunch.
They are taking lunch. They are the cafeteria.
Cafeteria.
Right. It's like you in high school. No estás en la prepa o si estás en la prepa todavía. Que ya todos están en el salón, but you are in the cafeteria having some tacos. Right?
Ahí eran mis clases, miss.
Exactly. Yeah, me too. All times. Okay, so here we have the question, guys. Here is the question. I want you to, don't look at the book. Don't look at the book. Just listen, okay? Listen and to the conversation, and we're gonna answer these questions. We're gonna answer these questions. Who is in class and who is absent, okay? Who is in class and who is absent? Okay, let me see what page is this. I always forget the page. What page is this? It's page 12. Page 12. Okay, we're gonna listen to the conversation. Page 12.
Unit 2, in class. Lesson A, classmates. 1, getting started. B, listen. Who is sick today? Who is late? Who is asleep?
Where's Hiroki? Is he here today? No, he's not. Maybe he's at work. Okay. How about Ellen? I don't know. I think she's sick. Oh, okay. Are Carmen and Susanna here? No, they're in the cafeteria. They're late again. Okay. And Nick? He's over there. I think he's asleep.
Okay, guys. Now the question is, who is in class? Do you remember who is in class? Can you tell me the names?
Nick y Alison.
Nick,
Just no.
Allison, who else?
June.
June.
Okay. And who is absent?
Ellen.
Hiroki, Carmen, and Susana.
Hiroki. Okay. Carmen and Susana. I'm gonna write just the letters. Carmen and Susana. Okay, now we're gonna listen one more time and you have to tell me who is sick today, who is late, and who is asleep. Okay, one more time.
Page 12, Unit 2, in class. Lesson A, classmates. 1, getting started. B, listen. Who is sick today? Who is late? Who is asleep?
Where's Hiroki? Is he here today? No, he's not. Maybe he's at work. Okay. How about Ellen? I don't know. I think she's sick. Oh, okay. Are Carmen and Susanna here? No, they're in the cafeteria. They're late again. Okay. And Nick? He's over there. I think he's asleep.
Okay, now let's answer these questions. Who is sick today, guys? Who is sick? Ellen, good. Who is late?
Carmen and Susana.
Excellent, Carmen and Susana. And who is asleep?
Nick.
Nick, excellent, good job. Okay, guys, excellent. Good job. Okay, let's see. Let's go back here. Okay, now let's see. The activity C says, circle the correct words. Use the conversation above to help you. Okay, here we have the conversation and we're gonna circle the correct words, okay? Let's see. Okay, Jonathan, can you help me with number 1, please?
Okay. Hiroki is he ever today?
No, he's at work. No, she's at work.
No, she's at work. No, he's at work.
Okay, good, excellent, Jonathan. Okay, now Diana, can you help me with number 2, please?
Kelly, she's class?
Is or are, baby?
Is.
Is, yes. Continue.
No, she's not. She's sick.
Excellent. No, she's not. She's sick. Good. Sareli, number 3, please.
Is Art.
Yes.
And she's in the cafeteria.
You have to tell me all the answer. Are Carmen and Susana late?
She's in the cafeteria.
Okay, she or there? Let's look at the conversation. There?
Taylor.
Yes, they're in the cafeteria. Good. And Evelyn, number 4.
Is Nick here?
Yes. Continue.
Yes.
He's
Yes,
here
yes.
or he here?
He's asleep.
Okay, but here, this one, baby, his or he?
His.
Excellent, yes. And now here, I think his or is?
Asleep.
But he's asleep or is asleep?
He's asleep.
Yes, he's asleep. Excellent. Good job, everybody. Okay, now we have the grammar here, okay? Let's listen to the audio of this grammar chart. So we're gonna listen to the pronunciation, okay? In a moment, I will explain for you. It's page 13, right?
Page 13.
Just listen.
2. Grammar. The verb be, he, she, and they.
Hiroki's at work. He's at work. Hiroki's not here. He's not here. Ellen's sick. She's sick. Ellen's not in class. She's not in class. Carmen and Susanna are late. They're late. Carmen and Susanna are not here. They're not here. Is Hiroki at work?
Yes, he is.
Is he here?
No, he's not. Is Ellen sick?
Yes,
She is.
she is.
Is she in
Is
class?
she in class? No,
No, she's not. Are they late?
Yes,
Yes, they are.
Are they here?
No, they're not.
So, I'm gonna
Micrófono, profe.
yes, I forget. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys. So, here is the grammar. Okay, here's the thing. When we are using the verb be with he, she, and they, there's something different. Okay, he and she are singular. Okay, singular. Just one person, just one. And they is plural. It's plural. That could be two or more, 2 or plus people, okay? There we go. So when you are using he and she that are the singular, we are gonna use is, like for example here. Hiroki's at work. Hiroki is at work. He is at work. He is at work. Ellen's sick. Ellen is sick. She's sick. She is sick. Here. Now here we have the negative form. Hiroki is not here. Hiroki is not here. He's not here. He is not here. Ellen's not in class. She's not in class. As you can see, guys, these are like contractions or abbreviations, okay? If I say Hiroki's, it means Hiroki is. If I say Ellen's, I mean Ellen is. If I say his, that means he is. She's, she is. You see? Until here. These are the abbreviations that we're gonna use with the singular, okay? Is for positive and is not for negative. You see? Only this part. Just look at this. Okay? Like this. Okay? For example, I can say, Jonathan's here in class. Diana is here in class. Sareli is here in class. Evelyn is here in class. That's positive, right? And for example, in the case of your classmate Kosaiki, Kosaiki is not here, right? She has a problem. She's not in class. You see? Okay. Now what happened with the question form? Let's go here, right? We see the positive and we see the negative form. Now let's go with the question form. ¿Qué pasa aquí, chicos? Look at this. Let me show you in the board, right? There we go. Okay. For example, I can say here, Jonathan is here in class, right? That's a sentence. But what happens if I want to convert or transform this into a question? I say, is Jonathan here in class? Like that. What happened here? You see what happened? Here we have first, this is the, I'm sorry. Oh my God. This is the subject. This is my subject. This is the verb be. Verb be. And we have the complement. Oh my God. Les prometo que mi letra en la vida real está mejor, ¿eh? Okay, now what happened with the question? ¿Alguien me puede decir qué pasó aquí? Esta es una oración normal. This is a sentence. And what happened with the question?
Ahí está diciendo que él es Jonathan.
Yes, but tell me about, don't tell me what does it mean. No me digas qué significa, solamente dime qué pasó ahí. Hubo un cambio entre esta y esta. ¿Qué cambió?
Se invierte el sujeto y el verbo to be.
Exactamente, así es. Now we start with the verb be. We are starting with the verb be. And then goes the subject. The subject and obviously the complement. Imagine that it says complement. Okay. I'm gonna use this better, okay? Let me borrow everything. Okay, one more time. Okay, for a sentence in positive form, you're gonna do this, okay? It's subject plus verb be plus complement. Ahí está. Vamos a anotar eso en nuestra libreta, ¿vale? Let's write down this on our... Now we have the negative form. We have again the subject plus verb be plus not plus complement. Like this. And now the question form. We start with the verb be plus the subject plus the complement. Like this, okay? Now let me write down some examples for you. Okay, like this. There we go. Now here. Let me write down some examples for you. There we go. Okay. Positive form. We can say, Andrea is at home. Pero también puedo hacer esto. She is at home. Estas dos oraciones son iguales. But why? Because Andrea is the same as she. Right? Now, maybe I can do something like this. Pablo is at work. He is at work. Like this. Oh my God. It's almost 6 p.m. I didn't see that. Okay, guys. We're gonna stop here because I don't have time. Okay. We're gonna finish class here. If you want to screenshot this, you can screenshot it. We're gonna continue the class with this, okay? La próxima clase vamos a continuar aquí mismo. Voy a seguir explicando esto. Si quieren tomar un screenshot para que no lo pierdan y lo puedan copiar en su libreta si quieren, ¿ok? Porque voy a empezar otra clase ahorita a las 6 y no me di cuenta del tiempo. ¿Ok? So, we're gonna stop here.
Okay.
And we're gonna continue this tomorrow, okay? We're gonna continue this tomorrow. For homework, you're gonna only do page 8 and page 9, okay? In your workbook. 9 and 8. 8 and 9, okay? In your workbook. Okay, guys, that will be all. See you tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow, guys. Have a nice evening. Bye-bye.
Bye.
If you have questions, write them down. Si tienen preguntas, anótenlas.